Yo, merch mavericks! Brace yourselves for a 2024 merch explosion, because we're about to crack the Teespring profit code and turn your wildest t-shirt dreams into cold, hard cash. Forget endless hustling and tired trends. This is your roadmap to Teespring hero status. Why Teespring in 2024? The merch game is hotter than ever, and Teespring is your golden ticket. They handle the printing, shipping, and customer service, so you can focus on what you do best: designing fire shirts that people can't get enough of. Plus, with zero upfront costs and on-demand printing, it's a risk-free ride to t-shirt riches. From sketch to stacking, Benjamins. But hold on, a basic graphic of your cat won't exactly set the cash registers on fire. We need designs that make wallets scream, "Shut up and take my money." Here's the recipe for viral success. Niche. Nirvana. Forget everyone. Target a tribe. Gamers, doggo disciples, meme connoisseurs. Find your passionate peeps and speak their language. Trend tracking. Ride the wave of what's hot. Holidays, pop culture references, and trending topics are your temporary goldmines. Simplicity slays. Less is more, fam. Bold graphics, catchy slogans, and clean layouts are your best friends. Quality counts. Don't skimp on visuals. Invest in high-resolution graphics and sharp fonts. Remember, your shirts are tiny billboards, make them pop. Marketing mayhem. Turn fans into fanatics. Don't let your masterpiece drown in the online ocean. Unleash your inner marketing ninja. Social media. Blitz, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Dominate them all with eye-catching posts, targeted ads, and behind-the-scenes content. Community, craze. Engage with your audience. Run polls, contests, and answer questions. Build a community, not just a customer base. Influencer. Inferno. Partner with relevant creators to spread the word like wildfire. Imagine your design on a gaming superstar's stream. Email alchemy. Build an email list and send out exclusive offers, sneak peeks, and early access to new designs. Bonus hacks for 2024. Domination. Want to be the Teespring MVP of 2024? Buckle up for these pro tips. Limited edition frenzy. Create scarcity with time-limited designs. People love FOMO. Use it to your advantage. Bundle bonanza. Offer discounts for buying multiple shirts. More merch, more money. It's simple math. Merch mashups. Collaborate with other creators for epic design collabs. Two fandoms are better than one. Subscription box. Surprise. Create a curated subscription box with exclusive designs and early access goodies. Your fans will be begging for it. Remember, Teespring's success is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep creating, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep rocking those unique designs. So, are you ready to be the 2024 Teespring champion? Drop a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic merch wisdom. And don't forget to share your Teespring journey in the comments below. Let's build a merch empire together. Thanks for watching.